Switch the current editing page to the search template in use. Under Template on the left side, click the Add Section button. Move the newly added apps component to an appropriate location. Use the Settings panel on the right to personalize the menu settings. Menu structure is for setting the properties and sequence of the drop-down menu. Menu alias is for setting the alias displayed in the drop-down menu. You might want to try editing other settings to change the style of the drop-down menu. After you click the search button, the previous search field in the template will be automatically hidden. The template search results will be used instead, while retaining the function of filtering the search results. Thank you for watching, and I hope this can help you.